I want to be in front of him because of my shadow, maybe.
We could even get that right there, bro.
You want me to walk regular or like still show the resistance in those steps?
That you get that right there, the jacket. Yeah, that shit right there.
This is what you gonna do. This shit work for me?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, fire. Over.
Make sure you let that shit go off before.
Can I get a sausage, egg, and cheese, please?
Yeah. Yo, you stupid as hell.
Alright,
Say something.
Can you
Can you hear me?
right here?
Can you hear me?
Yeah, but you gotta turn it up. You gotta turn it up.
Turn it up.
Like on
On the side.
Wait.
We have a sound
Do I
guy
do
or no?
this to talk?
Because that's
Maybe
It's the
Mitch
bottle,
could be
big
the
one.
sound guy. Maybe you could be the sound guy to hold the boom.